Your mind is always busy, but have you ever asked why? Thoughts rush in, one after another, never stopping. In a small village lived a young man named Marco. He looked normal, but inside, his mind was restless. His past haunted him, and the future scared him. At night, his thoughts became louder. He forgot how to sleep and how to smile. One day, he heard about a wise old man. They said he taught people how to find peace. For the first time, Marco felt hope. He decided to go and meet him. The journey was long and tiring, but he didn't stop. At last, he reached the village in the hills. The old man sat quietly on his porch. The old man gave him a simple task. The glass was filled to the very top. Walk and don't spill a single drop. The road was noisy and crowded, but Marco saw nothing except the water. Slowly, his mind became quiet. He returned without spilling a drop. The old man asked what he noticed. Marco said, "Nothing. I was fully present." That was the lesson. When you live in the present, fear disappears. Peace is not outside you. Peace has always been inside you.